Hello Internet, this is me again, Carlo Gino, your copy-paste engineer slash developer, and today will be the day 66 of my 100 Days of Code challenge. Before I start, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, follow, okay? So yesterday I did the removing of dependencies, blah blah blah, and fixing some CSS and adding some code highlighting when writing a blog post. Okay, so now I will create this new feature called file storage. It will be similar to, I don't know, to like Google Drive, but of course, a poor man's Google Drive. Okay, so I should start by. Okay, I have a list here actually, and the first thing that I need to do is to create this AWS3 bucket. But since I'm working locally, I will simply create a local version, of course. Okay, maybe not. I will not proceed with this. I will do this instead. The creating of entity what? Create entity file metadata. I will convert this into a card. And where is that? Okay, here. There should be a backend task, and what should I do here? And I need an ID, I need a name, I need a URL. I guess it will be very similar to the image, yeah, but it's more generic. Oh, Bronson, what's up? Shout out to you. Long time no see. What's up, Ketchup? Okay, shout out again to Bronson for that spam share. Wow, you're very persistent. Timer starts now. And the first thing that I need to add is the entity. Okay, that should be here. Source, app, database, and then entities. If I'm not mistaken, there is no nx console nx an nx command for that. So what should be the file that entity that ts. Yes, I said before it will be very similar to this one, but okay, they should be okay. I'll remove the export. What the heck? Did not intend to remove all of that. File category or file type, I don't know. But I will add category here because it might be some executable. Actually, I don't know. I will refactor this later. It should not be a meme or code, but I don't know. I don't know what are the file categories. Okay, maybe documents. That's one category, document. And what else? What else? Document. Other. And they should be file name. Okay, maybe I'll not import this for now. File name. And this one will be file name. The length might be longer. Title, URL, tags. Yeah, this is very simple. I don't even need this multiple user because I don't intend this to be usable by too many users. This is the one I'm worried about. It got refactored, even though I don't want them to be. I don't want them to change. Oh, okay, it's image metadata. So I'll make this file metadata, and that should be okay. I'll create another one of this file name, title, description, blah 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 blah. Okay, it's enough. What's missing here? Oh, of course, the import. So slow. Oh, I forgot the music. Music. The same old music. Okay, this is looking good. What is this URL again? I forgot. Okay, it's the URL of the bucket. Okay, that's it. Okay, this should be enough. Okay, this needs to be changed to file metadata. And what else? File tags. Okay, should be okay. Oh, hello, John Gerald. What's up? Thank you for liking, bro. Need to add that here. File meta. What? I can't. Okay, that's because I forgot to export. This category. Oh, my bad. Not there. This thing should be outside. Here. Enums. I'll just put here the enums. What? Okay, if you don't want, if I look at the database, it should be populated. File, I'm not seeing any file here. Maybe there's an error somewhere down the road. What? I'll run this again. By the way, guys, I started running again. I mean jogging. It was not that fast. I ran like 6 kilometers per hour for 30 minutes. I mean that speed. Is that speed or velocity? I forgot. Sorry, it's so slow. Need to be patient here. Hey, please run. Oh, I get it. So why it's not adding? It's because I did not, of course, explicitly say that it will be a new entity. And also here, oh, I don't have the controller. What I'm testing now is that, okay, after this run, that table will be populated. Oh my, so slow. You know that it's so slow when you can see the it's printing every character. Object category is not supported by MariaDB. MariaDB. Why is that so that you're not supported? Oh, another bot! Hello, it's them, my bot! But if I'm not mistaken, this image entity supports that with... Wait, it's really weird. It should be supported. Data type object. But it's an enum. Also, this one is an enum. So what's wrong with you? Hello, John Gerald. Hello. How do you manage file structure to maintain the project? You mean my folder structure? It's just if you're familiar with NX, it's a way to organize your monorepo easier. Because in this workspace, this is, as I mentioned earlier, this is a monorepo, meaning you have multiple repositories, or not really. You have multiple projects in here. You can check nx.io or narwhal nx. This is a very nice solution. And yeah, it will change your it will improve your productivity a lot, because I know you know that there are some interfaces that are shared by the back end and the front end, and you can define that somewhere else here. So for example, this libs. Yeah, I hope you get the point. Yeah, and I know you do. These are used in the front end and back end. Yeah, that's the point. Okay, I still sure, master. Still, I'm having problem here. File metadata. That category is not supported by Maria. I know enum is not supported, but why the heck is it working here in this part? Because if I'm not mistaken, in the image metadata, there's actually this category. That's weird. It's working. By the way, boss, are you also a developer? I think, of course, because you asked something developer related. Yeah, sorry, I just want someone to converse with. Oh no, it's still not working. What the heck? What if I explicitly mention the type? Type text. Okay, some error here. Error. What the heck? I really want this to be... Wait, it's so weird. What's the difference here? I'm using image category, which is an enum, so it should be nothing special. File category is also an enum. This is so weird. Does it need to be increased? Some stupid workaround. Yes, sir. Though I'm still new on back-end development because I was on back-end. Okay. I mean, I'm not really good at back-end as well. Maybe you're even better than me. It's just easier for me to work on back-end if it's JavaScript. Yeah, anyway, still having a problem here. This is so weird. I know you're not supported. Oh, you were assigned on back-end. Okay. That's still a good start because if you want to be a good developer, even if front-end or back-end, you must know both, even a little bit of something. Data type object. Wait. This is so weird because I'm using the same pattern here. Okay, I'm using docking for rubber ducking method to help myself. I'm explaining it to myself. Okay, so I have here a file category which is an enum, and here which is also an enum. Oh wait, yeah, they're the same. So why the heck is this not working? And why is this map to experiences? That's another weird thing here. Okay, I'll just remove this. Lots of weird stuff here that should not be even there. I want this to be a... I know that this should work. Is there a varchar here? Varchar. Okay, I have here in our photos controller. Having some error here. Okay, there you are. What's the error, bro? The category. Yes, type ORM boss. You're also familiar with this? Yeah, I guess you're familiar because you can read type ORM. Shit. This is so weird. Oh, image metadata category is not supported. I mean, why it only appear today? Should appear a long time ago. It was working nicely. Or do I have an update and they just suddenly remove the support for enum here? Actually, it's just a string. Okay. Can I explicitly say that an enum is a string? TypeScript enum string. I haven't dipped on type ORM, but I'm working with type Goose. Oh, okay. So you're using Mongoose. Yeah, I'm just basing on. Yeah, I'm just basing on some related word because oh yeah, MongoDB. But I haven't used type Goose. TypeScript enum that return a string. Can I have that? Oh wait. It's actually working now. When I put varchar here, so I guess that I just need to make this varchar as well. Varchar. Hey, work now, please. It's not compiling. Hey, compile. I don't like this restarting every time. It's wasting a lot of time. Yeah. I guess that if I finish this file storage feature, I will move forward to React. I don't know. There's still a lot of time for my first 100 days of code challenge. I don't know if my strategy will be the first 100 days of code will be on Angular and the second will be all in React. I don't know. But of course, all of them should be full stack. Oh, it's working now. Weird. That's so weird. Okay, the solution is to add this, an explicit type that's saying that even though in my template, it's like I'm restricting here the value of the category to, in development time, or what's the opposite of runtime? I forgot. But anyway, static. Yeah, but in the database, it will be still a string. I will refresh this and check my new table. Yeah. Okay, this is the new table. There should be still an image. Yep, there is an image. But wait. I'm still having this weird property here. This should not even exist. And why is it even pointing to experiences? That's not correct. Image metadata. Oh, okay, so it should point to image. I will retain that. Images. So if I'm not mistaken, that might be the cause of the weird issue that I experienced a week ago. Okay, first step done. I created this entity. So let me check if this is okay before I commit. Okay. Time to remove this. Okay, all good. Added entity. Oh, wait. I'm in the weird branch, so I'll just create one branch. GitHub. Feature, what's the feature again? File storage. I'm starting to memorize the order of the the songs. Git stash. Check out feature file storage. Stash path. Created file entity. Thank you for that. It's just a free music from YouTube. They say it's free, so I downloaded. Oh, by the way, thanks for staying by. A file entity and extracted enums. What's the next thing that I should do? I already created this metadata, so I'll move it to done. The next is to create the backend module to host files. Okay, this should be splitted into two modules. Two cards. Create a backend create backend module for API. I don't know if this makes sense. But my point is I will also create something for AWS S3 bucket. Where is the copy? AWS S3. And both should have, I should have copied it earlier. My bad. I'm tagging it to be a backend. Okay, I'll put this to in progress and also this. The first thing that I need to do is, of course, wait for this. And hey, you should, this is a cool thing about NX console. So if I want to create a controller, it's okay, I'll just create a module first. Because it's following this, I don't know, weird pattern, but it's a good weird pattern. Generate, yeah, it should be okay, but my PC is so slow. What I need to create here is a module named file storage module. And that should be here in the API. Okay, it's trying to check. It should be fast, but I'm running too many applications, especially the recording. Okay, in here I can see that apps, API, SRC, file storage, SRC. Oh wait, this should be in the app. What I want is this to be added automatically here in the app mode. This is my cue that it's working. Then I will run this and it will create a file for me. Okay, where is that? Here. Now the next thing to generate is the controller nest. Oh, what did I pick? Okay, should just be the same name. File is storage, just the same stuff. App. Okay, it added. Okay, and then run. I'll copy and paste this. Okay, I have here the controller, the module, and the last is the service. App. This should be good. This is my queue. If you want to use this will be your queue that it's working, because it will update the module. It means it's in the right path. Now it's very easy to create my endpoints. In the I will name this. Oh, you use Vim. Oh yeah. I guess it's also available in CLI. Yeah. This is just a code. Yes, you can see here, it's executing this this command. Yep, it's pretty handy. By the way, are you using Vim here? Yeah, I don't know if you can see, but I'm also using Vim. Okay. I need to create here a get. This is for mainly for testing. File. How should I call my file storage? Files? Okay, it should be called files. But of course I'll have a better name for that. Get all file. And I will just return something, or empty for now, or maybe something. To test that it is working, I will use Insomnia, or I don't know if you know it, but it's similar to Postman. The purpose of this is, of course, if you don't want to use a front end. Portfolio blogs, it should be files. Okay, I'll create a folder here. New folder. Files. No, I just use terminal and run Vim. Oh, okay. But why are you doing that? I mean, I did that as well in the past, but it's not really productive in the modern days. But of course, if you're very productive with that, then that's okay. In here, okay, I will copy this. Is there a copy function here? Duplicate. I'll get files. Should be files. If I hit that, then I'm getting this URL. But of course, I don't want that. What I want is something from the database. In the constructor, I will use dependency injection. Private read only. What was the file name again? Okay, it's file storage. File storage service. File is storage service. In this file storage, I will inject the repository, and of course that should be a file. What was it again? File metadata. Okay. And just need to create here get all files. I will rename this to file repository. Return this that file repository that is it find or okay, this one. If I use that instead of this hard-coded value, this that file storage service that get all files. Hello boss Juventude, what's up? Thank you for liking. Okay, if I use that instead, then okay, wait for it to compile. File metadata blah 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 is not whatever. Okay, the reason for that error is because in my module I'm not providing this. Imports that stuff in there. It should be file metadata. Okay. I'll wait for this to run. Good evening, Lords. It's okay. Thank you for joining. So how are you, boss? What's up? What's new? Yes. And for those new viewers, sorry if I'm trying hard to speak in English. It's because I want to learn. Okay. Now I'm getting this empty. The reason for that is because if we go to my database, it's actually empty. If I add an entry here, file name dot txt, description, okay, some garbage here, garbage. Okay, this should be document, though it's not as strict. I'm just following the categories that I set before. Google.com. File tags. Tag 1, tag 2, tag 3. Created at, yep, auto-populate. Okay, that should be enough. If I hit this endpoint again, I'm expecting that there will be value. Yeah. And yeah, this is the good thing about type ORM. Yeah, it's easy to create arrays. You just separate them by comma. Of course, there are lots of ways. Am I okay with the feature? Create bat module. This is not descriptive enough. Sorry. Okay, I need to create here a checklist for get, post, delete, and update. Should I use update? Okay, I use patch instead of put. I already have the get. Wait. I should get all. Get files API/files. And also I need to get API and ID. Post, okay, delete API file/ID. Patch will be the same. Angular looks cool. Those file name controller module service still have no idea about it. I'm going to check Angular law. Yeah, it's of course this is cool, and I don't have really a comment on that. Yeah, it's cool. It serves its purpose, but don't also explore other languages like React Vue. Yeah, but it's cool because the one thing I like about Angular is the unopinionated. It just means that they are strictly forcing some guidelines on you. Yeah, it's cool for me because as a lazy developer, you don't need to think of best practice because the best practice is already provided by them. Yeah. Anyway, if you want to learn Angular, learn TypeScript first, then learn RxJS, and you will be a very good Angular developer. Okay, going back here. Can I copy paste this? Oh, dang, they're not draggable. Okay, so that should be enough. Need to create here a way to add, so that will be the first thing will be posting. Post. I don't need this if it's empty, but I'm used to it, sorry. Get all files. Oh, my bad. For this controller, I had a convention to make this consistent in every part. Where is that again? Controller. Oh, this is weird. I said that I'm following a convention, but I did not follow on this. Anyway, it should be here. Oh, it's because it's just for portfolio endpoints. Okay, that's why. Yes. So I'm thinking if I should create here an enum. Maybe not for now, but I will, to remind myself, create enum for endpoints. This will be a utility. So I don't know if it will be a front end or back end. I'll just choose both. Okay, sorry, going back here. Post. What's my post naming convention? I don't have a convention. Add new file. This will accept a request. Rec of type request. It's not necessary to add the request here, but I'm just used to it because I like the type. Import from Express. What's this again? Request. Sorry, my nose got itchy. Request. Then what I will do here is to rec. Get the body const file will be of type I file metadata. Oh no. It should be, what's the file? Okay. Should be file metadata. And that will be equals to rec.body. To save this in the database, it's very easy using this framework. It's a few lines of codes. Add new file. This will accept file of type file metadata. Return. Hello, boss. Oh, boss Juventud. I hope I'm really pronouncing your name right. And I'm sorry if I'm wrong. Please correct me on how to pronounce your name right. This file repository that add or save, and then the file. It's so simple. in here, I'll just call that. I will return the this.file storage service that add new file passing the file. Okay, let's try this and hope that it will work. Get files, and we will duplicate this post file. Should be post, and the body should be a JSON. What's my type definition again? Sorry, I forgot. Since ID is generated, no need. I'll add the file name of oh, this is wrong. I thought there's something wrong. Testing1 .txt. Okay. Should I separate the file name and the extension? Maybe not. Category will be, what's the categories again? I'm the creator, but I forgot document or document. Title testing. URL. Okay, I will make this random. If I created a default value, it will be easier. But yeah, my bad. Tags. No need for tags. And date time. Sorry. Oh, I don't know for the date time. What should I add here? Created date. Okay, I'll guess. I'm guessing a date here. 12/12/12. If I post this, oh, 500. And what's the reason? Created at doesn't have a default value, but I added that. Oh, it's created date. My bad. Created at. Now it's persisted. If I refresh this, okay, that's good. Now it's persisting. But one thing I don't like here is that there is a time. Do I need to track of the time? Okay, I'll leave it as is. I only have 13 minutes to finish this, but looking good. Time to implement the other stuff. The delete. I will start with the getting off. Only one. Get. So ID. I need to pass an ID. And get one file. Need to add here a param of ID, which is, I need to parse that, but later, of number. Parse int. Okay, before I continue coding on this, I'll add a public get one file. It will accept the ID which of type number. By the way, guys, if you're wondering why I'm so into adding types, it's just necessary for me. I mean, I like this because my future self will thank me for this. Return this file repository that find one. Okay, the default is find by ID, so I'll just use that. See, creating backend has never been so easy.